Guys, Crypto Vulture here. Today I have a major update about Quant. But before we get into that, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway this week of one Quant. To enter for that, like, comment and subscribe, and just let me know your predictions about Quant by the end of this year. So, as we can see today, the price of Quant is at 153, 152 and is down by 3.48%. If we look at this candle chart, we can see that there's been fluctuations. We can see there was a rise over here at, on 17th of October, and we saw 230, and we've seen a massive drop since that of $50, and we can see over here that 173, 170, 150, and a lot of people are conflicted right now. They're thinking, is there going to be a bull run, or is Quant going to drop below $100? And if we just look at the chart, we can see there's been a massive increase there. Quant was quite bullish, and right now there's some bearish news for Quant at the moment, and we can see that right at the moment 152, and there's just been fluctuation. There's been a bit of a rise and a bit of a fall, but many people are saying that Quant is going to Quant is going to drop it below $100, but I'm not sure about that, guys, because I think there's a lot of things happening around this coin. There's going to be a significant rise, and we're going to see that bull run happen very soon. However, right now there's people scared, that people are thinking that this coin is going to drop quite below, and a lot of people are going to lose their money. But remember, guys, at the end of the day, it's a long investment. It's not get rich fast. You have to invest your money. You have to leave it in there. You have to study the charts, and you have to know when you have to take out. And I can help you guys with that by doing daily updates every day, which I have been doing. So we can see that right now it's not looking too good. We can see there has been a drop, because yesterday or the day before when I did the update, it was at 163 and now it's at 152. So there has been a drop. Let's see what people are saying. People are saying that Quant dump is real. XD hits $1 million December. Official information. Yeah, that's just rubbish. Quant is rated medium too by the community on CryptView. It still needs 3 scorings from users. Quant, word going around, HSBC has partnered up with Oracle, which is Quant's partner. If this is true, then this will be huge for Quant. So guys, HSBC has partnered up with Oracle. That means that they're going to have a merger, and they're going to so HSBC could use Quant as a currency instead of Visa in their banks, and that can mean huge news for Quant, because Quant will have more users. Right now I think we're at 77,000 monthly holders, and I think that will go above 100,000, 200,000 if this merger happens, and we can see Quant have a massive bull run after this. There's another opinion that says there are a lot of people who likely know way more about Quant than OP, as well as the people replying that don't even know. Time will tell. I got greedy around $56 waiting to buy, thinking it would go lower and I'd get more bang for my buck. I learned the lesson that the hard way. Don't fuss with a fair company at a wonderful price. Find a wonderful company at a fair price and fair value for Quant. So guys, it's saying that crypto is a waiting game, but at the same time you got to take risks, because right now people are saying it's going to drop, it's going to go higher, but that just will make you more reluctant to invest. I say invest at the right time. Don't think that Quant will fall below $100, then I'll buy it. If you buy it right now, what if it goes up to $500, $600? Then at that point you can't. If you buy at $500, $600, you only receive one Quant. But if you buy at today's price and it reaches $500, $600, then your Quant is going to be worth around 3-4 Quants. You know what I mean? So it's just about playing the waiting game, but at the same time knowing when to invest. And that's why you have to follow and do research, because we're expecting to drop below $50, below $100. Time will tell, and no one knows like what's going to happen actually with these coins. These coins are always very volatile. They're always going up and down, and we cannot expect to just wait and just enter the coin when it's at its lowest. People are saying I want to load up, so I hope looking for $40. Guys, the $40 expectation or the $20 expectation, what if you buy at $40 and then it drops even more, and then you just lose? If you buy at $40 and it drops to $20, $10, guys, then that's just, right now we're hearing good things about this coin, so that I think that investments should be made. If there's mergers and if there's partnerships with multi-trillion-dollar companies, then that means good things for this coin, and the coin is going to do well. People are saying that audio is amazing, but I think $100 to $150 a new bottom. That is true, guys. $100 and $150 a new bottom. Realistically, if you look at all the charts, if you do analysis, I do not think that it's going to drop below $100, and $150, $100 is the new bottom. Right now, I think we're seeing a bearish trend at the moment, but I think very soon we're going to see that bull run happen. And we're going to see that $270, $270, $280, maybe $300, but we're not going to see a fall below $100, guys, because that would just be a pump and dump coin. This coin is a lot of people going to lose faith into this coin. The brand deals, the mergers, the partnerships, I think they're all going to fall through. So I don't think this coin would would do that. Low, that's optimistic. I think the best we'll see is high 80s. Guys, everyone has their opinions. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think is a bottom for Quant? Do you guys think that below $100 or above $100 is the new bottom? Because I'm not sure, guys, but I think, my professional opinion, I think that it is above $100, 100%. So guys, that's I've said everything I've needed for today about Quant. I'm going to be back with another update tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think of the video, and just remember to enter that giveaway. Bye guys. So people are saying that $50 price to buy, bare moment arriving. Quant, we know what we hold. So over here it says official documents from Oracle review, Quant will be integrated across 10 multi-trillion-dollar sectors. So right now we've just heard about HSBC. We could be hearing about other banks. We could be hearing about Santander. We could be hearing about multiple banks, or even not even just banks, just with other companies, and that could mean huge news for Quant. Because right now Quant has had a massive bull run from what it was even a couple of months ago or even a year ago. It has had a massive peak, and right now there's been a drop, and people are feeling a bit controversial because it was at $200 and it dropped by about 25%, and that's not looking good for Quant. But people are predicting by the end of this year that we're going to see that $200 once again. So we can see that people are saying a thread on Quant price action. Firstly, from my thread last week on Quant holders, since the beginning of October, 4 of the top 20 holders added a combined of 140k Quant to their holdings. And we can see over here, there's a chart that I saw earlier of, there we go, of it showing us how many Quant holders there were. So around August, June, there was around 62,000, and the community has grown quite a bit. There has been 80k. People are expecting 80k before the end of this month. 77k currently. So that's a lot of holders for this coin, and a lot of people investing into this coin, looking into this coin. So people are saying, I buy Quant over BTC every single time. Quant is still the most undervalued asset in the space. Millionaires will be made in the next bull run. That is true, guys, because I've had a lot of people make a lot of money through this coin. Because if you bought, if it was over here, we were at about 71, and if you bought around 71, if you invested $1,000, $2,000, it went all the way to 231. That is nearly 3 times that amount. So you would have made a lot of money. If you invested a high amount, you would have made a lot of money. So through Quant, millionaires have been made, and I think there's going to be many more to come. So if you haven't considered buying Quant, it's because you haven't spent 10 hours researching. That's what I mean, guys. Do your own research around these coins. Don't just listen to me or listen to other YouTubers. Do research, do your own research, go into it. I'll be doing daily updates. I want what's best for you guys, but a lot of these people, they just say what comes to mind, but they don't know what's going on. You have to do your own research and invest accordingly. So if we look at this article, we can see that this is doing a deep analysis into Quant, and it's saying the Quant price has possibly completed the correction that began on October 17. If so, the next upward movement will take us towards $270. So the correction happened around October 17th, and then it fell to, now we saw today that it's at 152, but the next upward movement will take it towards $270. The peak that we saw was $230, and it will take it towards 270. That's a massive increase, guys, than the last one. And this just talks about, while the price action is not following any patterns, Quant broke out from $150 area on October 13. So everyone's saying it's stagnant at $150. It's not going to go up. It's going to stay at that much, like we've seen with other coins. However, it broke all expectations and it reached $230, and that is nearly half. That is a 50% increase. And the 150 area is also very close to the 0.382 fib retracement support level. So guys, this coin is going to, in the next bull run, people are expecting $270, even $300, and people are expecting by 2025, 2026 for it to reach $500, $600. What do you guys think about that? I'm not very sure. I don't know what the predictions are, but if we look closely at this coin, we know that this coin is not just a pump and dump, and because there's like we read, that Oracle is integrating into multi-trillion-dollar companies, so we know there's good things coming for this coin. If we just look at this question, I just wanted you guys' thoughts on this question. Do you all expect to see Quant fall below $100 again? Why or why not? Let me know what you guys think in the comments about that, because I personally do not think that it's going to fall below $100, because right now it's not possible for it to integrate with multi-trillion-dollar companies. It won't fall below $100 because it will lose a lot of investors that have invested in this coin. And people are saying never know. I've been in crypto since 2020 and never ever thought I'd see Ethereum, Bitcoin drop as low as they did, but they did. That is true. The top two coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they dropped massively, and people are saying that that if those coins could drop, then any coin could drop, and that is true for Quant. However, the integration that we've seen and that we're going to see from this coin come, then I don't think it will fall below 100. I think there'll be fluctuations. It might drop by $20, $30. However, I think the bull run is going to take it back up to $300, $400. So guys, I'll be doing an update on Quant again tomorrow. Just let me know what you guys think of the video and make sure you enter that giveaway. Bye guys.